We'll guide you through how to make an email group on Gmail. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. An email group or group email is really convenient, as you can then go and send an email to a group of people. Go to the top right of Gmail and press Google Apps. Scroll down and find the option for contacts and click there. What you need to do is go to the top left and press create contact, and you need to make sure you've gone and added the contacts who you want to go and make the group email or email group with. After you've gone and got them, then what we need to do is start selecting them. So come through your contacts and you can go and select them like so. Then what you can do is go to the top right and you can press manage labels and press create label. Now you can go and name what you want the group to be called. In this case, I'll call it GuideRealm, and we can go and press save and come and return to Gmail like so. I'll just go and refresh it, press compose in the top left. And in 2, you can then type in the name of what you just called it. In this case, I called it GuideRealm. As you can see, there's 3 members in it, and you can then go and see that we've gone and added that email group or group email.